How to improve your memory.
Arjun was a 20-year-old boy who lived in a small town. He was kind, polite, and helpful. But he had one big problem. He always forgot things. He forgot where he kept his books. He forgot to do his homework. He forgot what his teacher taught the day before. Sometimes he even forgot the names of people he met yesterday. Arjun wanted to do well in college. He wanted to get good marks, get a good job, and make his parents proud. But because of his weak memory, he always felt worried and sad. One day, in his college classroom, the teacher asked a simple question. "Arjun, can you tell me what lesson we studied yesterday?" Arjun stood up. He looked at the floor. He could not remember. His classmates laughed. The teacher shook her head. After class, Arjun's best friend Ramesh said, "Arjun, why do you forget everything? You are smart, but your memory is weak." Arjun felt hurt. That evening, he walked home slowly. He kept thinking, why is my memory so bad? Will I always be like this? Can I ever change? At home, Arjun's mother asked, "Why are you so quiet today?" Arjun replied, "Amma, I am tired of forgetting everything. I want to improve my memory. I don't know how." His mother smiled and said, "When you truly want to change, the universe will send you a teacher." Arjun did not fully understand her words, but he hoped she was right. The next evening, Arjun went to the park to relax. There, he saw an old man sitting on a wooden bench. The man was reading a newspaper. He had white hair, but his eyes were bright and full of life. Arjun sat beside him quietly. After a few minutes, Arjun asked, "Uncle, can I ask you something?" The old man folded his newspaper and smiled. "Of course, son. What is troubling you?" Arjun said softly, "I forget everything. My memory is very weak. Can you help me?" The old man looked at Arjun carefully and said, "Memory is like a muscle. If you use it, it becomes strong. If you ignore it, it becomes weak. Do you want to learn how to make it strong?" Arjun nodded eagerly. "Yes, uncle. Please teach me." The old man said, "There are 5 secrets to a strong memory. Listen carefully." He held up his hand and counted on his fingers. Pay attention. See pictures in your mind. Repeat again and again. Connect new things to old things. Take care of your body and mind. Arjun listened with wide eyes. He did not fully understand, but he trusted the old man. The old man said, "I will not just tell you, I will give you tasks. Every day you will practice one secret. Are you ready?" Arjun nodded. "Yes, uncle, I am ready." The next morning, Arjun woke up early. He was excited to meet the old man again. He reached the park and saw him sitting under a big banyan tree, feeding birds with small grains. "Good morning, uncle," Arjun said politely. "Good morning, son," the old man replied. "Are you ready for your first lesson?" "Yes, uncle." The old man looked at Arjun's face and said slowly, "The first secret of memory is attention. Most people forget because they do not pay attention. When your mind is half here and half somewhere else, you cannot remember anything." Arjun thought about his own life. When teachers spoke in class, he often thought about cricket matches or movies. When his mother gave him shopping lists, he was busy looking at his phone. "Yes, uncle," Arjun admitted. "I am always distracted." The old man smiled. "Today you will do one thing. Whatever you see, hear, or feel, give it your full attention. Even small things. Look at the color, shape, sound, and smell. When you notice details, your brain wakes up." On his way home, Arjun tried the lesson. He saw a red car on the road. He told himself, "It is red, small, with black tires." He heard a dog barking. He thought, "The bark is loud and deep." He smelled fresh samosas from a tea shop. He whispered, "The smell is spicy and warm." For the first time, Arjun felt alive. He was seeing, hearing, and smelling the world clearly. That night, when his mother asked what he saw in the market, Arjun described everything in detail. She was surprised. The next day, Arjun met the old man again. "Good work yesterday," the old man said. "Now we go to the second secret. See pictures in your mind. Your brain remembers images better than words." Arjun asked, "How do I do that, uncle?" The old man picked up a leaf from the ground. "This is a leaf. If I tell you the word leaf, you may forget. But if you close your eyes and see a big green leaf in your mind with tiny lines moving in the wind, you will remember. Arjun closed his eyes and imagined the leaf. He could see its green color and small veins. The old man gave him another task. Tonight, when you study, do not just read words. Make pictures in your head. If you study history, see the kings, the soldiers, the battles. If you study science, see the planets, the stars, the experiments. The clearer the picture, the stronger the memory. That evening, Arjun studied his biology book. He had to remember different parts of a plant. Instead of reading boring words, he imagined a big plant with roots drinking water, leaves dancing in sunlight, and flowers smiling in the wind. The next day, when the teacher asked him a question, Arjun answered without fear. The class was shocked. For the first time, he remembered perfectly. On the third day, Arjun met the old man early. "Uncle, yesterday's picture trick worked. I remembered everything." The old man smiled. "Good, but memory is like water in your hands. If you do not hold it again and again, it will leak away. The third secret is repetition." Arjun frowned. "Do I have to read everything many times?" "Yes, but not all at once," said the old man. "Read today, review tomorrow, review after 1 week, then after 1 month. Every time you repeat, the memory becomes deeper." Arjun made a small notebook. Every night he wrote 3 things he wanted to remember: new words, facts, or names. The next day he reviewed them. A week later he reviewed again. A month later he reviewed again. Soon he noticed something magical. What he repeated stayed in his mind forever. The fourth secret, the old man said, was connection. Your brain is like a web, he explained. When you connect new things to old things, they stay together. For example, if you meet someone named Mr. Green, imagine him wearing green clothes. If you learn a new date, connect it to your birthday or house number. Arjun tried it. He connected historical dates to cricket scores. He connected English words to funny images. He remembered everything easily. The old man finally taught the last secret. Your brain lives in your body, he said. If your body is tired, your memory is weak. Eat good food, drink water, sleep well, exercise, and keep your mind calm. Arjun started jogging in the park. He ate almonds and fruits. He slept early. Slowly, his mind felt fresh and clear. Weeks passed. Arjun's life changed completely. He answered questions in class. He remembered names and dates. He scored high marks in exams. His friends asked, "Arjun, how did you become so smart?" Arjun smiled and said, "I trained my memory just like a muscle." Arjun thanked the old man. "Uncle, you changed my life." The old man replied, "Now help others. Teach them what you learned. A shared gift grows." Arjun started helping his friends. Soon the whole class improved. The teacher noticed. The entire school was proud. Memory is not magic. It is practice. Pay attention, see pictures, repeat often, connect ideas, and keep your body healthy. If Arjun could do it, so can you.